for today. I am Bridget Whitby Aracha. And first things first, let's please stand up for our prayer to be led to us by Miss Sarah Osos. I'm here, Miss Sarah Osos.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Angel of God, my Lord and Dear, whom God's love commits me. Never this day be at my side to let me grant to heaven.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so for today, before we start our discussion proper, I prepared here a activity, a very enjoyable activity. Oh, okay, our activity is called Fast, Faster, and Fastest. So what is the instruction? So I have here a wheel of fortune, as you can see. Is it really a fortune? Okay. Containing your smarties. There are three, there are two, and there are one. Okay, and I have here some secret context. Gusto kaya ni?
Wow.
Gusto kaya ni?
Oh my God.
So I will spin the wheel 3 times to select first three players for the first. You have the right to choose your own outcome. So are you ready? Ready now? Ready now?
Ready now.
Kulay energy.
Yes, ready now.
Three. Like, di ba, magpili ko three. The first person na magtundol sa arrow, she will do the fast. The second one is faster, and the third one is fastest. So, yeah, let's start. Pray first.
Faster.
Oh, faster. Wala namin yung isa din. Oh, we have Katani and Melesio. Kailangan natin isa. Kailangan mo natin isa. Oh, we have Dungayo. The first three is Miss Melesio, Miss Katani, and Miss Dungayo. Happy contract. I put our first one. First three. So, okay, so literally, so this is a tongue twister. The first one will be Miss Katani, the faster and fastest. Miss Katani will perform I will speak the tongue twister in the faster way, fastest way. Yes?
Yes.
Ready now?
Ready now.
I will give 10 seconds in silence.
Wow.
Go Shirley. Okay, Miss Katane.
Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black spread it, say it quick, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black spread it, quicker, say it quicker, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black spread.
Okay, Miss Melesio, faster.
Yellow butter, purple yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black spread it, quick, say it quick, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam,
Okay, Miss Dungayo, faster.
yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, red jam, black spread it, quicker, say it quicker, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black spread it. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread, spread it, say quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread, spread it, thicker, say quicker. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread.
The next three. The next three. Oh my God. Oh, we have Sambutan. Wala siya. Last question. Oh my God. Go, Karen! Okay na? Okay na? Okay, quiet. Okay, ready na si Mr. Dango. Okay? Mr. Dango, ma.
I wish the wish, the wish, you wish the wish. But if you wish the wish, the wish, the wish wishes, I would wish the wish, the wish.
Okay, Miss Nugget. Faster.
But if you wish the wish, the wish wishes, then the wish will never wish. Okay. I wish the wish, the wish, you wish the wish. If you wish the wish, the wish, the wishes, I will wish the wish, the wish, you wish the wish.
Okay.
Certified, certified na yun. Mga wish.
The wish means everyone.
Balik ang mirror. Oh. Alvarado. Uy. Pastor ka to. Basket. Alvarado. Alvarado. Uy. Oh. Arsenal. Kaya mo. Wala. Nasi ka pa ba?
Hindi ko hindi namin oy. Si Amadeo, certified bunga ngayon ka. Eh,
Alvarado, faster. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Di
ko tiili ba? Okay, Michelle. Go louder and faster.
Amadeo.
Louder and more. Okay.
There was also manual research
Ay, Balingit.